Guys, so I'm just doing a little work on my employee's piece of crap car. His headlights are just so badly fogged out that he has to run his high beams just to be able to see at night. They're just in the roughest shape. I mean, they're really, really bad. So a little trick that brings back the life on them, brings them back to like this. This isn't perfect by any sense of the terms. I mean, obviously buying new headlights is going to be perfect, but man, the difference, you can like see into that one, not into that one. It's real simple. 800 grit or even 600 if you want to get real aggressive with it, but 800 goes pretty quickly. 800 grit sandpaper, and you just sand it down so it's all nice and smooth. It doesn't even take much. You'd be surprised how quickly it goes. You know, 800 grit sandpaper. And then a little clearer will make it nice and clear again. So once you sand it down, you want to tape everything off first so you don't sand your car. I use, after I've sanded it all, I use some white ball. I'll wipe it all down. A little white ball before helps to get some of the dirt off and make it easy to tape off. And then after I wipe it all down, I've got it taped off, I clear coat it. And it's literally just a shaker can. That was just a shaker can of clear. Not even anything special, just clear gloss. Nothing big. And it'll give you a little bit of life back in your lights without having to spend a huge amount of money. Alright guys, quick short video. Peace.